Students, here SK Sinha, your English teacher, available to start your first chapter from your book Beehive. That will be a poem, The Road Not Taken. Actually, this poem is based on the human psychology, the universal knowledge of the human being. Actually, the people are confused in their life what way of career, what way of life they should choose. It is a matter of confusion for the common people. Here in this poem, the poet has reflected on the importance of the correct decision in life. If a person takes wrong step, then his life goes to failure. But if his decision is right, he goes to the destination. In this poem, the poet Robert Frost has also felt ashamed because he has also chosen the wrong path of life and he has felt himself guilty. He warns all the readers as well as the people to not take any decision without thinking before. One day, the poet was going to the jungle side. He came on a diversion from where two roads were diverting. He selected that way which was very soft. He thought that this soft way will be comfortable for him. But the decision was wrong. He could not reach on his destination. The road was perhaps not suitable for him. It was thorny. It was complicated with unsocial elements also. So he has suggested all the readers to take the right decision before choosing any work in life. Here path means not the road on which we walk only. Here the path means the way of our life. So many people are unable to take correct decision in life. What should be they? Whether they should become a doctor or an engineer. And it is also impossible for a single person to become both doctor and engineer on the same point. Both had different directions. In this way, the poet is suggesting us that only you have to carry one way of life and that should be wisely selected. Now here are four stanzas in your book. First stanza, two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both, and be one traveller long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. There were two roads. The poet is also confused to check the correct way, because both were the same. Now in the second stanza, he took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim. That means what felt him comfortable for him or very soft, it was taken by him. Because it was grassy and wanted wear. Wanted wear means not walked by so many people this time, though as for that the passing there had worn them really about the same. Both the routes looked the same, so the poet was confused and his decision was similarly wrong. Third stanza, and both that morning equally lay in lips no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on the way, I doubted if I should ever come back. The poet felt doubtful also. He was confused whether this road would send him to the correct destination or not. But what had happened had happened. He had chosen the wrong path. Now in the last stanza, I shall be talking this with a sigh. Somewhere edges and edges hence, two roads diverge in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. In the last stanza, he is repenting. He is feeling ashamed that being a poet he had also come on the wrong path and it had not sent him to the correct path. So the message is that before traveling the way of life. We should decide correctly, otherwise we can't reach our destination, we can't get success. Thank you. In next class, I would give you some questions also.